Hi, I'm Mike with Aimco Manufacturing. I'm going to show you a gripping tool that will make an operator's life a lot easier and safer for picking and placing 70-pound parts in and out of a trim fixture. This is the H16 and H18 parts. We're using a non-marring grip pad and a locating feature on a removable fixed jaw to locate the part. This helps locate the depth of the jaws so that we can reach into the fixture and clear our torque arm and from the front of the fixture. So you'll position the jaws in place, hit the clamp button with the up-down pendant, press the up button to bring the part up. We have an incremental rotate on a rocker switch. If you let go, it will stop its rotation in case you're in the way of a fixture or a table. This will give us 180 degrees of rotation. You can then set the part back upside down. The unclamp is on a two-hand safety. If you accidentally hit the unclamp button, it will not release the part until you pull the common trigger in at the same time. You pull the common trigger in, hit the unclamp button, and that will release the part. The unclamp is on an incremental jog circuit as well. This will help position smaller parts without having to keep the jaws out as far as the fully unclamped position. Okay, now we're going to change the locating feature jaws from the H16 and 18 to the H21, so you'll just remove the pins. So this will be for the H21 parts. Okay, now we've got our H21 locating fixture here. We'll bump off on the part here that will set our jaw depth. And once the fixed jaw is in position, hit the clamp button. The part is fully secured and in position. You can then rotate 180 degrees to flip it over. Again, stopping anywhere incrementally in between. Of course, we do have our vertical slide handle to keep the operator in a comfortable position during large vertical travels. Okay, now we're going to pick the H11 and H12 parts up. So these are actually our gripping jaws. I'll place these on the rear holes on the fixed and actuated jaw. Okay, we'll now pick up the H11 and H12 castings. So the fixed jaw, we'll first align that here in this section, and the actuated jaw will come in this corner. This is where the incremental unclamp comes in handy. You can incrementally unclamp it to keep the jaws fairly close. Position the fixed side first, clamp the part, and again you securely have a good grip, and now you can rotate the part 180 degrees. We do have this on an articulated jib, so it's very easy to work around in the work cell, position the part within a 12-foot radius. Okay, thanks for watching. Please visit Aimco Manufacturing for more product videos, and click the yellow A up here if you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel and see more videos. Thank you.